Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics 101. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send your crypto from Robinhood to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're new to this or just refreshing your skills, let's dive right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have a Robinhood account with some crypto holdings in the Arculus wallet app installed on your phone. If you don't have Arculus yet, download it from your app store and set up your wallet. It's quick and straightforward. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Crypto tab and select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 2. Look for the Send or Withdraw button on the crypto's detail page. This might be under a menu option like Transfer Funds. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Now, switch to your Arculus wallet app. Go to the Wallet section, select the same cryptocurrency, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transactions can be reversed. Step 4. Back in Robinhood, paste the Arculus wallet address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount you want to send. You'll see any associated fees, so review them carefully before moving on. Step 5. Hit the Confirm button to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation screen. Make sure everything looks good, then approve it. After that, the transfer will process on the blockchain, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour. Once it's complete, open your Arculus wallet to verify that your crypto has arrived safely. A quick word of caution: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security, and be mindful of network congestion that could delay transfers. That's it for 2025. You've just leveled up your crypto game. Thanks for watching, folks. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.